This is Frank Cervo. Welcome to Trading Key System. Video 2 Introduction. How the Trading Key System will help define the key elements of successful trading. Please view video number 1 before viewing this video. The Trading Key System will help you see and think in a new way, and here's how. The system breaks down a daily bar into a series of intraday trading ranges, keeps the trader informed of the cycle of trend direction. We will study the daily, 360, 240, and 60-minute time periods, beginning with a daily chart of the E-mini S&P. In the next few minutes of this video, we'll give you the concept of trading a definite purpose, clarity, and your mindset will change instantly with certainty of action. The Trading Key System offers a trader years of wisdom, learning to define the trading ranges from small range days into long range days. At the bottom of the chart, when the lower zone color is a dark blue or dark brown, this represents a stronger trend. And when a light blue or a light brown appears in the lower zone, it will keep the trader informed of trend direction. However, not as strong as when in the dark blue or the dark brown color. This works the same in all time periods, including intraday time periods as well. When we look at the background color in the upper part of the chart, in the upper section of all the charts, as well as intraday, will display another confirmation of price direction. We will see blue for a long position, brown for a short position, or white, indecision, stand aside. This is when a trader should take a look at the next stronger support or resistance point prior to re-entering back into the trade. Now the box around the price bar represents the point of entry and exit. Each new box will represent another opportunity for the trader to re-enter back into the weekly, daily, including the intraday time periods. The red X over top of the price bars confirms the automated exit from the long position, and the green X under the price bar represents the automated exit from the short position. When price bars crosses above the monthly, weekly, or daily support lines, they will superimpose with a large X under the price bars onto all time periods, including intraday time periods. Now when price crosses below these resistant lines, such as the monthly, the weekly, the daily, they will also superimpose with a large X over top of the price bars onto the intraday charts as well. Now this is going to help keep the trader informed when a strong condition has taken place in a higher time period while trading in a lower time period, with or against the strength of market conditions. Now the monthly, weekly, daily, including the quarterly point, they will all superimpose onto the intraday time periods. Just think about how great this is, having all this information superimposed onto the daily, intraday time periods, trading a small picture while viewing a longer picture. When a trader has been exited from a position, the big question is how and when to re-enter back into the trade and have control risk capital. The trader needs to distinguish the difference between a change in the trend and a pause in the direction of the trend. Very, very important. This system is designed to help a trader develop patience and discipline while keeping the trader informed of trend direction. This is where day traders have a misconception. The trading system breaks down a daily bar into a series of intraday trading ranges and keeps the trader informed of the cycle of trend direction. We will look at a 360-minute time period. With the E-mini, this represents 4 trading bars, and each bar having 360 minutes or a total minutes of 1,440 minutes. That makes up the range of the activity for the daily time period. Each new day on all time periods of your intraday chart is represented by a different color of price bars. This will help the trader to identify each new day of the week. The purple bar represents Friday, the light blue represents Monday, dark blue Tuesday, pink is Wednesday, and green is Thursday. When we place a green vertical line over top of the 360-minute time period, this will overlay onto the daily time period to show the same study period. The entry box on the daily time period will also overlay onto the 360-minute time period. The daily chart will identify when a trader would enter into a long position at the beginning of the box, and at the end of the box would identify the exit point. The X over top of the price bar represents where the automated exit from the long position took place. Now we'll draw a line. We'll show how these work. And we'll begin at the entry box on the daily. And this line will show the dollar amount, which represents how much money was made in the trade while trading, with just one contract. And the number of bars represents the number of days in the trade when viewing the daily chart. My point's not to impress you with the amount of money that can be made when you're trading right, but also how to re-enter back into the market when using a 360-minute or other intraday time periods. This system of method of trading refines the entry back into the trade with a cycle or trend direction based on a probable positive expectancy. We will time our automated entry back into the trade by applying our automated entry with a 360-minute time period. We will overlay the 360-minute entry box over the entry box of the daily time period. The green line shows each entry of the 360-minute time period entering at the same point as on the daily time period, showing that you are in more times with the 360 having the opportunity to re-enter back into the market. The next thing we will look at is the support and resistance lines to show how the trade will maintain a more precise entry and exit for risk control. The purple represents our resistance line for the intraday 360-minute, and the dark green represents our support line for the intraday 360-minute. Now the purple ball over top of the price bar represents price crossing below intraday resistance line. And we can apply this as an automated intraday exit point for a tighter exit, or we can apply the daily resistance line that is more outside the range of market noise. Price needs to cross below the 360-minute resistance line before crossing the daily resistance line. This will help the trader to control risk capital. The trader can cover the position with a tighter stop of a 360-minute or even a lower time period, then choose an automated exit point and a higher time period to let the profits run. The trading key system is designed with a probable positive expectancy, giving a trader a visual and a directional informed way of trading while placing the odds of winning in favor of the trader. Now, we're going to view a 240-minute time period. The 240-minute time period works the same way as the daily, the 360. The 240-minute time period will show the trader a breakdown of the daily bar into 6 bars, each bar consisting of 240 minutes. That shows a more defined entry and exit point. Each bar represents a new entry. Each box represents a new entry. And the trader has a more refined entry and exit point. It also gives the trader a broader choice of exit points. Traders must first learn how to control losses in order to become a good winner. The last thing we will do is show a 60-minute time period. As you can see, each new box is new entry into the trade. Until we see a green ball on the 60-minute chart, this would be our first exit. But each new box would be a new entry with the 60-minute timing into your 240-minute time period, giving the trader more opportunities to re-enter back into the market with control of risk capital. The 240-minute time period works with the 60-minute time period to end the cycle of trend direction, going from small range days into large range days. This system will help you move your life forward with less time and money. This is a completely customized trading plan that will shorten the amount of time it takes to get there. And without this system, a trader has three choices to acquire the knowledge that must be mastered in successful trading. One, you can attend seminars that may cost $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. Maybe in a week or two you might remember some of what you went there to learn. And two, you can buy books and newsletters, sign up for trading tips. And three, you can just spend countless hours of studying the market with thousands of dollars in losses and many, many sleepless nights. Or you can go to our website and sign up for a 30-day free trial. Start trading with more success than you could ever imagine, without the need to spend long hours at the computer and countless long hours, months, years, but trying to acquire the wisdom of mastering the art of trading. This will be the most successful trading decision you would ever make. An opportunity is now here. And in closing, we invite you to visit our website at tradingkeysystem.com. Thank you.